Are you stuck 100 views per video? Losing subs faster than you gain them? Chances are you're making one or more of these 10 YouTube mistakes that are silently killing your channel in 2025. And the worst part? Most creators don't even realize they're doing them. Let's fix that, starting now. Mistake number 1, chasing trends without a strategy. Here's the deal. Trends can be great, but jumping on trends without a strategy is a quick way to kill your growth. It's like trying to date everyone in the room. Sure, you might get lucky, but it's not a real connection. YouTube looks for channels that build real connections. So focus on your niche, deliver real value, and sprinkle in trends organically. A little goes a long way. For example, a gaming channel uploading cooking tutorials. Yeah, they went viral. They had a moment in the sun. But what happens next after the trend fades? Their views dropped off a cliff, charts showing a big spike and then a massive drop-off. And the reason, trends are temporary, but your audience wants consistent value. Mistake number 2, ignoring audience retention signals. But I hooked them in the first 30 seconds. I know you did, but are they sticking around till the end? Because here's the thing, YouTube wants to keep people watching longer. It's called session duration. So if people are swiping away or closing the app, YouTube has no choice but to show your video to fewer people. You can fix this by re-hooking every 30 to 60 seconds. Keep them engaged and give them a reason to stick around. It's like a mini cliffhanger throughout your video. And hey, while we're talking about retention, did you know that 85% of viewers will leave your video before it ends? That's why you need to keep them hooked. Otherwise, they'll drift away. Mistake 3, poor thumbnail contrast and title clarity. But my face is in the thumbnail. Well, so is half the platforms. So how do you stand out? Well, here are some clues. YouTube's AI can now read faces, text, and contrast. So blurry, dark, or overloaded thumbnails might be skipped. Instead, think bright colors, clear facial expressions, and less is more when it comes to text. Aim for 4 words or less. It's like your elevator pitch, but for thumbnails. Oh, and one more thing. Use the title to tease the viewer. Don't reveal everything. Make them click to find out more. Mistake 4, uploading inconstantly. I only upload when I feel inspired. Stop right there. The algorithm loves channels that feed its audience consistently. Think of it like a restaurant. A place with daily fresh food beats one that's closed for weeks on end, so aim for weekly uploads. It's the sweet spot between consistency and quality. Trust me, your audience will thank you for it. And hey, don't forget the bell icon. It keeps your audience informed and engaged. Mistake 5, not optimizing for the right traffic source. Is your video aimed at search, home, shorts, or suggested? Each traffic source has its own set of rules. For example, views from search come from people actively looking for your content. So make sure your SEO title is on point. Those extra clicks matter. Or consider views from the shorts feed. You got just 2 seconds to grab attention, so make sure your hook is strong. Otherwise, those swipes will add up and bury your video. Mistake 6, ignoring comments and the community tab. Listen up. The algorithm isn't just tracking views. It's listening to what your audience is saying. Comments, likes, polls, even hearted replies are all signals of engagement and content quality. To top it off, the community tab is like a secret weapon. These posts can reach thousands of people, and they're easier to make than full-blown videos. So don't sleep on them. Mistake 7, weak video structure. Rambling intros and no clear structure. We've all been there. You start with a bang, and then, yeah, it's downhill from there. Viewers might like the first 30 seconds, but without a roadmap, they'll wander off. Here's your cheat sheet. Hook value, call to action. Repeat it every single time. Oh, and don't skip the intro, even if it takes them 5 seconds to get there. That's where you'll put your hook. Remember, 85% of viewers will leave before the end, so make every second count. Mistake 8, making videos for the algorithm, not humans. Clickbait might bring in the clicks, but it's a one-way ticket to the one-time view. Satisfaction signals, like not interested, are like kryptonite for your channel. YouTube reads these signals just like a book. So write your content with readers, not robots in mind. Ask yourself, would I watch this video again? If the answer is no, don't expect others to either. Mistake 9, skipping content batching. Burnout is real. You don't have to tackle all your videos at once. Batch your content. By creating 3 to 5 videos at once, you can stay ahead of the game, keep your content consistent, and save yourself from burnout. It's like an assembly line for your videos. Think of it as mini movies for your audience. And once you batch out 3 to 5 at a time, you'll find yourself way ahead of the game. Plus, it's easier to maintain consistency when you have a lineup of videos ready to go. Mistake 10, ignoring the power of series and playlists. You can make great individual videos, but why stop there? Series and playlists increase binge watching. When a viewer finishes one of your videos, YouTube will often suggest another from the same playlist. And guess what? This boosts session duration, a top YouTube metric. It's like giving YouTube a nudge in the right direction. So don't underestimate the power of organization. Still stuck at 100 views per video? Don't worry. We've all been there. Hit the like button if this video helped and subscribe for more tips. And remember, it's not about the views, it's about the connection. Your real reward is the growth and the impact you'll make in your community. So keep creating, keep connecting, and watch your channel thrive. Until next time, happy creating.